So, the last lesson in the expert section is this. And you might not, and hopefully not, have the option to do it now. But most likely during your life you will. We all will at some point. And that is to meditate while in pain. And there are, as many varieties of pain as there are grains of salt. Grains of sand. Whatever, both. There's a lot of grains of salt as well. It could be anything from just a prick in your little finger, to a huge flesh wound, to cancer. Any chronic disease, back pain, migraines, tinnitus, toothache. There's just no end to the different varieties of pain that we can have and experience. And so I want you to meditate while in pain. This might be the most important skill you get, and the most difficult. Because when we're in pain, we feel small. Often we feel like the world is against us, that the divinities of the heavens are against us. Why? Why am I feeling this pain? Why did this happen to me? So we not only experience the actual physical pain, but we also experience the suffering of not wanting the pain to be there. But if you learn to remain aware that you exist, remain in meditation while in pain, the pain won't go away, the physical pain, but the suffering will go away. Because suffering only means you want what is right now to not be that way. And so you will accept the pain. And you will experience the pain just for what it is. It will be excruciatingly, intimately painful, sure. But since you have acceptance for the situation, you're not cursing the world that you're having this pain. You're simply existing with it. Then it will drastically make the situation better. It will feel better. You will get closer to the pain, so you will feel it more immediately. But at the same time, because you're not trying to escape it, you're just there with it. You escape the suffering. And so you might experience that it's okay. The pain, although it is so horribly gruesome, depending on what it is, the tightness of it loosens when you're able to simply exist with it, without opposition, without resistance. And this is not easy. It needs an incredible presence of mind and willpower. Because every time a thought appears that wishes you weren't here in this painful situation, you have to ignore it and stay here. And I'm not telling you to force yourself to accept it, but I'm telling you to simply stay with it. And out of the staying with it, acceptance might rise. You accept that you don't want to be here. You accept that you don't want to feel pain. You accept that you wish it wasn't like that. But you also accept that you are here. You accept that it is inevitable right now to escape this pain. This is reality. This is happening. And so you're simply here. And you might think now that, oh, that's easy for you to say. No. I'm speaking from experience. I have had excruciating pain for days on end, where I barely could move out of the sofa. And I was laying there, blissful. It sounds crazy, but in the midst there is something transformative about pain, if you accept it. Because you need to completely surrender. In most other situations you can quit, you can escape. But inescapable pain has a really gritty, real, what to say, you can't escape it. And so surrendering to it, will open up something in you that you might not know is actually there. And so you might paradoxically thank the pain for teaching you to surrender, to accept. So if you're not in pain now, awesome. Hopefully you won't be in pain ever. But if you are in pain now, or pain comes, when pain comes, remember this and stay rooted in this silence that you've now been in for this entire course. Remain present and aware. I'll see you in the next video.